Hello and welcome to the next lesson. Now we have to remind to our customers two things. The first thing, to claim his coupon code if he did not do it yet. And the second thing, to leave a review about this product on Amazon. Regarding coupon code, Facebook will remind it to your customers even without your intervention. As for the reviews, I strongly encourage you to use services like salesbaker.com or feedbackgenius.com. to set up a sequence of emails after each purchase on Amazon. In those emails, you'll be asking them for a review as well. However, despite of it, we will duplicate our message regarding coupon code and review in our Facebook Messenger. The reason is very simple. This message our customer will open more likely than email from Facebook or email from Feedback Genius. So let's get started. Open our flow in Flow Excel and click on the plus at the bottom of the flow. You will see a menu of possible options that you can add to the flow. Choose the option Wait for a while. And in the settings of this option you should write a delay, about 24 hours, to give to your customer some time to claim the coupon code. Then you add a message with this text. Hello, this is just a quick reminder about your coupon code. This code is about to expire. To claim this code, click on the button Claim Coupon Code below this message. And to make this remind more attractive, you can copy that card with image of your product and super URL right after this message. Then you add one more delay, this time about 10, 12, 15 days, and after 10 days we will send to our customer a message regarding a review. The text of this message you can copy from this slide or write your own, it doesn't matter. What is much more important is to give a link where you ask your client to leave a review. You can copy that link from the button Write a Customer Review on the listing of your product on Amazon. Then simply paste this link in a new card that will be sent right after the previous message regarding the review. The final view of all your flow will be like on this slide. So let's summarize. Now we just did a second step, settings of your messenger. We have promo codes and we almost ready to start. The final step is making settings on Facebook.